Okay, the final adjustment to our chair. So I will unhide the seat part. Now we can understand the size better. And actually I need to move the seat up. As I said, I don't have any reference and I am not using any blueprint. I just do it according to some pictures. So if you see it is quite deformed or anything, forgive me please, and just try to I just try to show you techniques. Okay, so what we need here is just some simple cylinders. So very easy, I will create one cylinder with the actual radius of 3, height of the 2, and no height segment, and make sure it is at the 0 position, then just move it up. This one I would like to make it quite bigger, 4, then move it down, make another cylinder with the radius of 2, this metal part, and maybe just 1 point, actually half. Then again move it down, this time make it 3, and just go down, okay, to here. Then just this part I want to make it bigger, totally this center part I want to make it bigger, so wider, and this is what we could create. This part you can adjust by yourself. As you can see, this how it move inside, so maybe just I make it longer, but this is for different chairs is actually different, that's why I'm not so much focusing. And this also the same, so I just use the same material to show you better. Okay, this is our chair until now. So the last part is this connection, this shape quite look like complex. We can create this with the loft technique, we can create this with the edit with the mix of actually loft and the edit poly, but I want to show you something different. And I want to use one of the extended primitives. So first I will create two rectangle shape. You will know why. Just for now, follow the movie and just see. Okay, I will create two shapes, no matter what size, just two, and create another one here, or maybe just create beside. It can be shown easier. Then I will create one extended primitives, a hose. Click and drag to create the hose. The hose in the option, I will choose the bound to objects, bound to object pivots. So pick one as a top and pick one as a bottom. Look how it is. This is the result. Why I choose two shape? Because I want to select them easily with the shape, and also if need to, actually I will delete them later, but if need to keep, I can keep it easily. So just move it and put it behind uh, behind the chair. If you see here is broken because the direction has problem, so I need to rotate it. I will actually on this to make sure I'm using the right value. Okay, then come here, put one at the behind the chair here and one at the bottom of the chair. Just before I move, let me change the size, then you can understand it better. I am here, the host. I have the cycle, how many cycle, but for this situation such as this one, I need to use a lot of segments. But as I know my scene and I know I don't have such as a big activities, so I will do this risk and I will use 1000 segments. A start point should be 0 and end point should be end, so it is fully cover this part. And also the host shape, I will use the rectangular host, which is actually we have here is a rectangular, it's not the circular. I need to change the diameter is -20, so I will change it easily, 4 or -4, no matter. We can change the numbers and the width and depth. Maybe the 4 could be enough, and of course I need the more diameter. I will use the minus. Okay, after I will arrange it, then I can know what values is better. Okay, so just use the shape, this one, just arrange it, don't care anything right now, just arrange it here, and this one just arrange it here. Then actually I need to rotate. It's a little bit difficult at the first maybe, but not so deep and not so big problem. I rotate this because it must be showing to the top, so put it here, and this one should show to the front. Don't worry, I will fix it. Okay, what we should do with this ugly shape, just select it. We have the tension, reduce it to get what you want. So again, back to the shape. I have been created this part a quite bigger, thicker, because I want to put this up here inside, and this also go inside. Then I can back to my shape, sorry, to my geometry, again change it to get the what I want. Okay, this is until now. Then after the shape is okay, and now I can come back and change my diameter to, for example, -2 or -5, and I have the width maybe 3 is okay, and the depth maybe the 5 is so small, 6, and I have the fillet to make this quite more, and maybe just I don't want to use the fillet segment, it's quite make it so much, so just keep it like this. And then from the other view I will arrange my shapes. Okay, not so difficult, right? Okay, so this is what I can create for this part, and after this I can easily right click, convert it to editable poly, and just remove the extra part at the top and bottom. So it is our office chair or a student chair, or actually the chair which we are using inside our bedroom.